and then he said it's good, and then he created Chororo Gebit Kalamaltat, he said it's good. So Kuluna Falalias, he said it's good, and all that is in detail. And he made sure that he created Earth perfectly, but he also made sure to create other planets, and it's not a place where people can live. So Zom aliens, they are not coming from Mars or from other planets, galaxy Zolo. It's from another place that they are coming, and they're way more smarter than us. And this information, I think it was like last week or something, they started calling all the leaders, the religious leaders of the world, to discuss this because.
Someone asked, where does it come from in your moral codes?
You're a human being. You just know it. You're born with it. A child knows lying is wrong.
كبزح like واقلة يخوتي كزيرة ناتكي نجارات قالين. كأنه أنا نعطيني التحسين.
Don't do that.
No, I'm just saying, like, if it wasn't for God. Okay, no, it's not that I respect it, but I'm just saying.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
It's okay, it's fine.
No, can you repeat it?
I was saying, I would expect you to believe in God more.
What do you mean by that?
But you can't expect someone to do something, you know, like they have to
I'm
have
not saying, yeah, I said, just not that تحسس بايكو كفتي like بزحنات كنا يقر سريع زغل زحلف كيو قال استمر بملاخ أمنات كهلو كي تصبيني را
بس نمتين عاسني كاكل سبنا على السبب
نسوت رازي كونسي. But you don't know me personally for you to expect things from me. Like you don't know shit about me.
That's the wrong legitimacy error. I'm sorry, but like I don't mean to attack you like that, but like you can't expect something from someone because what they've been through. Maybe what they've been through, like it is a harf for negarat sini.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, yeah. هجي أنا انتي قبلك يحسب له أبزبون لابتوب يوم تسيا مهنته كلام ده خسنا خمس دقيقة بزعبان انتي خمس له مهنته ناي كله ناي السبع حتوات سني أبقى أملا خالو حتوات ملسون ناي after life كله زبلو دلو ناي أمدر خلها كله ناي مدر نقرات زلو سني زي سرح كايولي زلك نقر مسمت كاس كتأفيو إذا منفس كاخلاي نابك تمتعت بلت فتاري أخي سارو.
Sorry, I didn't hear what you were saying.
بزيري خمد لهم أنت لو معصب زي كون زي لايبات لهم أنا خصني كل نجار السرح كل نجار كل خلص سنك كباخا خمسة إذا سفلت ريخي.
I don't know why you're trying to preach to me like Anna personally I don't know you and you don't know me. And I believe that you have the right to live the life that you want, the way you think is good for you, that suits you. And I also have that right. So when it comes to like the Bible, the church and stuff like that, I grew up in church. Okay. And I have decided it's not for me, and people should be able to respect that. Even if they're not going to respect it, they should keep their opinions to themselves. Because at the end of the day, I know who I am, I know the life that I'm living, and I know the future that I'm gonna have.
Then let me ask you, where do you think we come from?
What do you mean, where do we think we come from? I'm still looking for the answers for it.
You're still looking for the answers for it?
Yeah.
So far,
but I'm gonna be honest, like this, I would say like from 2023 all the way until now, my brain is not there. I'm not thinking about like God, where did we come from and stuff. I'm thinking about how do I get the people in Libya out of Libya. That's where my focus is.
Maybe
you want me to help you out to do that? I say maybe if you try pray for them, maybe they'll be out. I don't know. That's just my opinion.
Have you ever thought about praying for them yourself?
I haven't thought about it. I actually do it myself. I do pray for them.
Maybe you should do it, and then you let me know how that goes for you.
Okay, I will.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You're drinking a lot of water. Yeah.
Like, just not
I drink water.
I'm not
Like,
talking regular shit. Just
Sorry, you were talking when he was talking. Sorry. Can you guys go one by one?
It's okay. Delicacy. حسيب كتفلترو sometimes تفرحدو وي afterlife in the afterlife وي كهنم قالت تخيتكس like mindي like ناب كهنم تخيتكس like نقول جزء you there forever قرب سيد
إلى كونس بحر هيوت سني أي حسبني دخل نيكر بتعبو
Miss Eri, what part of I don't think about that stuff, I don't worry about that stuff. No, ماسي كاب أنتوي مش كومي لحتي تهنوالاسي. I told her that I don't think about it and I don't care even if I go to hell. See, that is something she believes in.
Don't get it, Anna. I'm not being disrespectful. I'm just asking. أسمعك وين حجي كوناتها.
Oscar Carosat Sigmuluso. Miss Era, sorry, I can't have more than 3 people in my life because it might glitch on me, so I'll take you down and then I'll add someone else, okay?
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, but pray for them and let me know
I'll add you back, okay?
I will wish Corina.
Okay. Like the hardest thing ever. Oh, never mind. That person is... How do you know there's a... Wait, someone literally requested. Oh, why are they not joining the honey? They're not joining, it's okay.
Captain Etra is here.
Captain Etra? Who's that?
Captain Etra.
I want what's her name to join back.
He's one of my favorites. Captain Etra, how are you?
Okay, let's see if... Salam Danait.
Salam عليكم.
Hey Danait.
Danait وعليك هذي.
الله مسكن كمي بقى مجن.
Tahando. Kapi Shukor. My favorite.
Captain Etra. I feel like I heard that name in the past. Captain Etra.
Yeah. He's always advocating for the refugees, always trying to help ስደተኛታት.
Yeah, ብዙሓት ሰባት ስለ most life but it's okay. Hani, yeah, like the refugee girl, that's not my topic to talk about or anything. I don't have too much information.
Yeah. Political president كتخوض داليخا you need to be able to talk and with Captain Etra.
Look, ግና هلاي ክትዛረብ ከላይ ሓበሬታ ክህልወካ ኣለዎ ብዛዕባቲ ዝኾነ ኩነታት مركي بتحذر كله نعاون أبصرهم كتوكاد يخالي
1000%. Yeah.
So دانايت. لما عاتي مدرنا سمع كذا خي؟
ني أسمع هون تانا لا تمدر.
Okay, so ناتي كل جزء أبلاي بي مدر مالتيو كم يكاس من إسيات أب أمنتهم السنة حال زي باللوم ويكا حتى هتدلوم كم الناس كنا حجزهم نخيل ويك أخن أنا ممكن حجز تزخيل بنفسي كم الناس كنت حاجز نخيل.
like نعم لا ما تكري.
لك واو thank you كابتن إيترا يغني لي يا هو
أنت حجناتي تريد هذا لها.
الناس كتير ريتو يكون السنة حجي نخ صارون حفتنا الزبلة. بلا
Wait, hold up. Nate Mnet is not for debate. Nabai means Nabai. No. I don't want people to be like, oh, okay, let's come and نصارون بزعبة Bible كنوجرون روجل ملتات. No, I don't want any of that stuff.
Don't worry, I will stop it. Like if they start attacking you or anything, or if they just start pressing you, I will stop it. يعني تو like إذا بنا أنا سنة تمرت خالنا دلي، I want تمرت خالنا دلي إمبري. like ناتكس example راح يسبب له ناتي يكون example له أنا حجي ولا بزعل نفسك الزارب. أب كورنتين كلك سب كتش حيسان كتن جدا ኣብ ሂወተይ ስኒ ዝፅገመሉ ቃል ኣምላኽ ወላ ከምበሉ የስ ሰምታ ዘንብብ ዘለኹ ኢለ ዝሽገረሉ ግዜ ነይረኒ ሕጂ ንእሽተይ ንእሽተይ ኣብ ሂወተይ ስኒ ምስ ፀለኹ ገለ ክሕገዝ ጀሚረ ግና ከላይ ኣብ ቃል ኣምላኽ ከላይ ሙሉእ ስኒ ክቕበሎ ዘይክእል ነገራት ኣብ ሂወተይ እውን ብዙሕ ነገራት ኣለዉ ብዛዕባ ቃል ኣምላኽ ሕጂ ኣብኡስ እንታይ ከመይ ጌርና ስኒ ክንመፅእ ንኽእል ክትሓስቢ ወይ ከዓ ክርዳእና ክትሓስቢ
ኣነ ብውልቀይ ከምኡ ሓሳብ ኣብ ርእሰይ መፂኒ ይፈልጥኒ ከምዚ ምሻለካ ከምዚ ወይ ከዓ ብእምነተይሲ ከምዚ ሕቶ ዝኸውን like question my religion ገለሲ መፂኒ ይፈልጥኒ but እንድሕር ከምዚ ምሻለካ ከበደ ሰዓት በትሃሊኻ ግን I get what you're trying to say but I feel like እንድሕር I don't know can I get explain get it
So it's comment section እንደ distract ኾን ዝገበረኒ ኮይኑ ስሪ ከምበሎም ገለ ንኣሓት ንስምዓክ እንከይነ ግና ከላይ እያ ረሓኒ እዛ conversation ኮንስ debate ብዛዕባ ከመይ ጌርና ስኒ ቃል ኣምላኽ ክንርድኦ ንኽእል ሕጂ ዳናይት ክሓተክ ሞነ ኣብ ሂወት ክስኒ ሰብኣይ ክሎ ንበል ንሳታ ሜን ዲቤት ኣላ ሕጂ ሰብኣይ ክስ ንስኺ ኦርቶዶክስ ዲኺ
ኣነ ዶ ያ
ሕጂ ሰብኣይኪ ወይ ሙስሊም ንሕኮይኑ ትቕበል እዮ
ነይ ቅበለክ
ስለምንታይ
because I feel like እንድሕር ከምዚ ሓደ እምነት ዘይንኣምን እንተኮይናሲ ወላ ብካልእ ዳኣ ከምዚ ንረዳዳእ ገለ መለምበር ከምዚ most of the time ብሰብ ድዩ ወይ ከዓ ምሻለካ first family like ብስድራይ መጀመርታ ኩሉ ዝመፅእ I would say like በቃ ትሕበረሳዊ ወይ ከዓ ምሻለካ ትናትካ ዓሌት ምሻለካ ዓባይስ ዓሌት ስክቕየሩ እዩ so it's like I don't think I want to do that
You don't think you want to do that ولا سكلورت አይደለኒ ምክንያቱ በቃል ኣምላኽ ስን ሓቂ ይኮነን ወይ ከዓ ደካ ኣይኮነን
ያ ሓቂ ይኮነን እንደገና ወላ ኣብታ ዓለማዊ ገለ ተወፂኻሲ ክትረዳዳእ ይትኽእልኻ ብዝኾነ ይኹን ማለት እዩ
Okay ረሓኒ ያ እስከና ሓንሳብ ካልእ ሰብ ከድላይ ክእቱ እሺ ዶኒ ምክንያቱ like ኣነስን like more ቃል ኣምላኽ ሓሳብ ዘለዎም ወይ ከዓ ምሻለኪ ቃል ኣምላኽ ሓሳብ ዘለዎም ወይ ከዓ ትምህርቲ ዘለዎም ንዓና ክምህሩና ዝኽእሉ ከምኡ እየ ትደለይ እሺ ዶ እንደኒ
أنا توريدك؟
ባዕላይ ወሪዳ
أها أوي
ኣነ ወረድኩ ኣነ ከምኡ ኢልያ ንሳድማ ባዕላይ ወሪዳ so ናተይ ፀገም ኣይኮነን like ምክንያቱ like ታ ሓሳባት ስና ኣነማ ዝደለሰ like ዝደለለ ሓሳብስ ቃልና ዝፈልጥ ሰብ ከመይ ጌሮም ንኹላትናስ ክምህሩና ዝኽእሉ ምክንያቱ ዋላ ንስኽስ ደፊእ ክላ ዓንተ ወይ ኢልክንስኒ ቃል ኣምላኽስን ድፍኣብል ክናኣመነ ዋው ሓቂ ዲያስ ወላኖም ከምኡ ኢለ ሓስብ ነይረ ንስኽ ከላይ ደፋኢት ኮይን ከለይ ናኸላይ ናትካ ተሓሳስባ ከላይ ዝተፈለየ ኮይኑ ፀኒሑ which is like
ሕጂ ቃል ኣምላኽ ክብለካ ከለኹ እኮ በቲ መፅሓፍ ቅዱስ ኢኻ ክትኸይድ ዘለካ ከምዚ ኣነ ሓስብ ገለ ኢልካ ዘይኮንካስ ከምዚ ሓንቲ ሕጂ ክሓተካ መብዛሕትኡ ሰብ ክሓት a lot of people ውሽጢ ዝዛረቦም ዋላ ኣብ ኣመንቲ ኦርቶዶክስ ገለ መልታት ማለት እዩ ኣብ መጀመርያ ማለት እዩ ኣዳምን ሄዋንን ነይሮምሽ ኣዳምን ሄዋንን ከዓኒ ወሊዶም ኣቤልን ኬንን ዝበሃሉ
በቃ
ኬን ንኣቤል ቀቲልዎ እሽቶ ድሓር ኣምላኽ ሓወኻ ቤሎ ገለ ምስ በሎ ማለት እዩ እንታይ ኢልዎ ኣምላኽ ንኬን ናይ ሓወኻ ደምሲ የእውድሎ ኢልዎ
ኣነ ማንያ ኣለዎ ሓወይ ኢልዎ
እዋ ማርክ ኣብ ግንባሩ ገይሩሎ ምሽ ኣምላኽ ንኬን he marked him and then ሽዑ እንታይ ኢልዎ ነታ ማርክ ሪኦምሲ ካልኦት ሰባት ኣይቀትልዎን እዮም
Okay.
I can look for the Bible verse ጽናሕ ከምፃኒ ሰዓት ተዛርብ ከምፃየ
ዝኽእሉ ኣብ ዘፍጥረት ዘለዎ መጀመርታ ዘፍጥረት ዘለዎ Wow guys, I love being challenged like
Yeah,
this. Like it keeps my life so interesting. Yes.
Up Genesis 4 يضلوا I think.
Genesis 4.
Hold up, wait.
Oh, by the way, for those of you, I'm just a follower of Jesus. ተማራሒ ናይ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ እየ። That's all. ካልእ እምነት የብለይን ንሕር። Oh, by the way, ተራሊ ኣለኹ ኣነ ስንያ
ኣብ ጀነሲስ በፂሕካ
ጀነሲስ
Yeah.
መጽሐፍ ቅዱስ ጀነሲስ እንታይ
ጀነሲስ 4
أዋ
13 ولا بتقريني عندي دلك
بإنجلش نعس لني.
Yeah.
Cain said to the Lord, my punishment is more than I can bear.
Today you will drive me from the land, and I will be hidden from your presence. I'll be restless, wander on the earth, and whoever find me will kill me. Kabe matyam zom sawat. Amlach kan tayo melisulu. But the Lord said to him, not so. Anyone who kills Cain will suffer 7 times more. Then the Lord put a mark on Cain so that no one who finds him will kill him. So Adam and Hawa niram ክልተ ቆልዑት ወሊዶም ሓደ ንሓደ ቀቲልዎ ካበይ መጨምቶም ካልኦት ሰባት ንኬን ዝቆትሉ በጣም መጽሐፍ ቅዱስ የመጽሐፍ ካዘለው ሐጂ ካበይ መጨምቶም ካልኦት
That's a good question. No, and then another question that I have, this خلى حد ذكر كنس اب ناي ستوري ناي نوا خلى
Yeah.
Wait, just give me a whole different perspective. No هسني نقول عالمس الرزوة للدحريو نحنا خلى متينا نحنا سكمل تلعب متينا مالتي كلنا صار حد صدرنا هذا مالتي.
We are the product of incest.
Guys, the Bible is not giving too much. Oh, this is dangerous. We cannot be talking about this. Oh, ذا حما أتينا. منيت متحف قدسني كل الناس كانوا حارس درامات إلى مالته. Oh, no. إذا بقى على أمنا خذ نتعنا لنا. No. What?
كم زي كل الناس كاب حدا من رايدي كونه أبتا مجمرة أب جينيسيس ينازل لنا جانا نبكال كأتنا وين chapter 4 chapter 1 حري خيو God is talking about the earth him building علمنا أب chapter 2 دحركيكا he's still making it because it says here then God blessed the 7th day. We're still talking about the world.